So right now I want to show you something really unique and really special because there's not many people, if any, doing it out there right now for their businesses. And it really will set you apart from the rest and make a huge impact on your business. What it is it's Snapchat live video chat. And you can talk one-on-one, video to video, like sort of like a Skype call with any of your friends on Snapchat through the app. And this is incredible because you can offer customer service, help someone with a service or a product that they've purchased for you, educate them about their products if they're making a buying decision, or just get one-on-one with a customer and interview them and see what products they want and see what needs they have. And you can then adjust your business practices based on these interviews. It's a really incredible opportunity and not many people are taking advantage of it. So I'm going to show you, I'm inside the Snapchat app right now. I just want to show you how to use this function, or where to find it, should I say. And then I'm going to go across to Snapchat's website and show you exactly how to use this function. So once again, we want to get to the chat function for Turtle Pizzeria. You can see Turtle Pizzeria is about in the middle to the upper side, to the upper half of my screen right now. I'm going to hold their name and swipe to the left. And that opens the chat panel, as you can remember. Now, what you need to do in order to live chat is you need to ping the person or message the person and tell them to jump on their chat window for you at the same time. And what happens when you're both online or both on the chat window at the same time is that yellow box you see down there that takes a photo normally. If you're both online at the same time, it's going to turn blue. It's going to have a blue little circle in the middle, and it's going to be the function, the button you press to get live video. Once you press it, you'll be able to see their front-facing camera, and they'll be able to see your front-facing camera, and you can talk face-to-face about anything you want. Really is unique. That's where to find it here in the Snapchat app. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use it now using Snapchat's guide on their website. So now we're here on the Snapchat support website, and I'm going to show you exactly what the video chat looks like using their help system, because I'm not going to be able to do it to myself to demonstrate. So the little yellow icon like this that you saw on my phone will turn blue when you're both online. And you can practice this with a friend and just see how it works so you can get used to it when you're talking with a customer. What you have to do is you have to press and hold the blue button to immediately send live video and audio of yourself to a friend. So it's live broadcasting, just like a Skype call, but you have to hold down the blue button and keep your thumb held down the entire time. So once again, the video chat, press it at the same time as your friend, so you can just both push it at pretty much the same time and it'll work. Drag your finger up or down to switch views from the front facing camera to the back facing camera. So you drag your finger to the top to get the back facing camera and to the bottom to get the front facing camera, which is your face, of course. And to lock your screen in place, there's a little GIF that shows you this. So there's a little padlock thing that comes up down the bottom, and you just have to drag your video feed onto the padlock thing and it'll lock it in place so you can have a full face-to-face call just like on Skype, and talk to your customers and talk to people who are interested in your products and really just connect with them. Once again, it's an incredible opportunity and I highly suggest you try it out. Even advertising that you offer this to your fans would be really cool. So in your Snap story, you could say, have any questions about our products? Connect with us on live chat. Simply send us a Snapchat picture with your username or with a time that you want to chat, and we'll jump on and we'll have a live chat with you to talk more about our products. So that's it for this method. I hope this is something that's valuable to you, because I know it is very unique and I know that a lot of businesses could really get a lot of value out of this.